What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We are en route, headed to work. It's Monday morning, March 1st, which is the first day of March, but technically it's the last day of February for us at the dealership. So we're gonna call today February 30th. Now, Friday, for those in the wonder, Sal did in fact take delivery of his brand new 2021 Chevrolet Blazer RS. This thing was all loaded out. It had the panoramic sunroof, it had the 21-inch wheels. It looked great. I think he's gonna put some window tints on the front windows to kind of even out the whole look. And I'm excited, he's very excited that now you know, he's driving a Chevy. And he's driving probably one of the coolest Chevys you can get right now. So I'm really excited for Sal. Make sure you congratulate him down in the comments. He loves seeing his name in the comments. On Friday, we also got a lot of deliveries ready for Saturday. So Saturday, you try not to do vehicle deliveries because usually it's a big traffic day where people are coming in, so you don't want to be tied up all day with getting cars on the road. However, I had a bunch of cars I had to get delivered, so I just figured, you know what, let me just pile them in there one after another and get the job done. So we actually delivered or scheduled 4 deliveries for Saturday. Starting out with a 2021 Suburban demo at 9:30 in the morning. This gentleman was looking for a brand new 2021 Suburban, which right now are like impossible to find. But we had this one, which was a dealer demo. One of the owners was driving it, drove it to about 4,300 miles, and then took another one. So now we were able to sell this one. The second vehicle was a 2016 Chevrolet Tahoe. This gentleman was at the store the other day doing some work for us. We put this deal together. He's super excited as well. Always wanted to get into a Tahoe. So we delivered that one at 10:30. I got those 2 trucks delivered, then we had a little bit of a break because the next appointments weren't until 12:30 and 1:30. The 12:30 client picked up a 2021 Chevrolet Traverse. This is actually a repeat customer. This is the second vehicle they bought for me. And then the 1:30 picked up a 2014 Chrysler Town & Country. Super, super, super clean vehicle with only 20,000 miles on it. So she was very excited to get that van. But that was pretty much that. We delivered those 4 cars, and then we even got in front of a customer who lived local, who was looking at a GMC Yukon. We ended up selling and spotting that vehicle. And as you can see in the photo of this vehicle, the day ended the opposite that it started, which it was like super nice and sunny and just turned into a really nice, beautiful day. That put me at 14 delivered for the month of February, and I still have 5 more vehicles sold that I have to get out basically by today. The first one is this 2021 Chevrolet Silverado Crew Cab High Country with the 6.2 liter, with the polished 22-inch wheels. It has the safety package, it has the tech package, it has the wheel-to-wheel chrome side steps. I mean, this thing has it all. And on the outside, obviously you saw this has the black exterior. The interior, it's the black and umber. I actually think this interior looks pretty nice. I like the 2-tone. Funny enough, the client that's purchasing the vehicle doesn't like it, but Silverados are in such short supply that there's really nothing else that we can offer him. We actually pulled this in from one of our other stores. He will be here this morning to do all the paperwork, take delivery, and take this truck down the road. Now, he's a previous customer here, and it's a little unfortunate why he's looking for a truck. This was his last truck. As you can see, this gentleman had a little bit of a fender bender, and this truck has been totaled out. I mean, you had airbag deployment on the inside. This fender, I'm assuming we probably took it off, you know, when they were doing the inspection to see the damage. The spare tire was put on, so obviously the wheel and tire was probably destroyed. But it's really cool to look and just see the aluminum construction of the doors. Now, I just taped this back here to cover the company name, but you can see this thing just got torn into like a can opener. It's pretty cool to see like the steel beams, the side impact beams and stuff like that inside. But look at the metal, how it just got curled up like a tin can. Now, obviously aluminum doors are put on because it's lighter for the vehicle. And what Chevrolet has decided to do was to put aluminum on the doors, on the tailgate, on the hood, but not on the bed. So when you look at the aluminum here, you can see that it's, you know, super thin, lightweight. But then when you get to here, where the same impact happened in the steel, it's a lot different. It's solid, it's dented up and damaged, but not nearly as torn apart as the aluminum. I mean, look at this is crazy. I just figured I'd show you this. It's not every day you kind of get to see a truck all tore up. Obviously, some damage here on the back. Tires all split up. So basically, out with the old and in with the new. The other 4 vehicles are a Traverse, which I'm having a tough time getting. two Chevrolet Trailblazers that look similar to this one right here, and this 2017 Cadillac ATS, which actually has a broken touchscreen, so I have to have the service department take a look at it and fix that before we can get that one on the road. So hopefully that happens later today.
I don't even know. I've never been in this situation before.
We're having trouble getting that 1LT Traverse, so we're looking at a 3LT right now. It has leather interior. Everything else is exactly the same. We're gonna send the window sticker over, see what they think, and if they are willing to go with that vehicle, pay a little bit more, I'll try to get that from my other store. Hopefully they do, and we can lock this one in today as one of the last deals for February. Hey, bud. Hey. Can you look up the Traverse deal? We can't get that 1LT, so this is a 3LT. Could we just tell them what the difference in payment will be? I told them probably like 30, 35 bucks. That has leather, safety assist, and then I can give it to somebody and see if they actually can get it. Do you have the deal there? Because I don't have any of the folder or anything. Oh, the folder's right here. It's this deal right here. The challenge is trying to get something in such short notice like this. Luckily, we have a couple in the group. It doesn't look like they want to change colors. They'd rather pay a little bit extra to get a little bit more equipment in the color that they want. So if they're happy with the window sticker I just sent them and the equipment, and they're happy with the price, hopefully we can get this one. We reran that payment. I mentioned to the customer like $30 to $35 a month more. I went from $405 to $429, so it actually came in a little less than that, $24 a month. I just emailed that information to him. He's got the window sticker. Hopefully they say that vehicle's a go. I already have my office trying to see if it's available from the other location. And if it is, we'll be able to wrap that one up. Other than that, they're gonna have to change color, or we're gonna have to wait until March because the programs expire today, which means I have to rerun the lease. But if they do wait till March and we rerun the lease and the numbers are satisfactory to them, that gives me a lot more time to try to get a vehicle from another dealership, not within the Schumacher group. So either way, we should have a deal, whether it's for February or for March. Literally, as soon as I turned off the camera, my office came up with this page here, and the other dealership said that vehicle is sold. One of my Trailblazers just showed up. As you can see, it has a full tank of gas, so we don't have to drive it to the gas station. We're just gonna park it in the back. I'm not gonna detail it yet because I don't know exactly when it's going, but once I go back inside, this is where we just let the customer know. The car's here, it's ready to go. We just have to schedule a time that they wanna pick it up and then see if we need any additional paperwork. I'll get her the VIN number so she can add it to her insurance. And by probably not today, probably tomorrow, we'll get this Trailblazer on the road. The second Trailblazer I have coming in is actually a factory, it's coming in from the factory, doing literally any day. If not today, maybe tomorrow. So that'll be the other Trailblazer. That one's an RS model. I think it's white, if I remember correctly. And they bought it as an inbound unit. It was something that we had coming in, so they put their name on it, left a deposit, and they'll be taking that as soon as it shows up. We're still working the deal on that Traverse. The customer does not want to go with any other color other than black. So the gray ones we have and a white one aren't going to cut it. The only thing we can really offer them today is a vehicle that's a 3LT, has safety assist, has a premium package, and has a sunroof. So it's $7,000 more than the one we quoted. Obviously, it's going to be more in the payment. He emailed me back and just asked if there's something we can have that we can maybe get a little tighter on the numbers because it's in stock. We're going to try to do that here right now. We'll approach him with a number, see what he says. I just sent another email to my client with this vehicle that I have in stock. Payments are $466 on this particular truck. That's what we can do. This is a 3LT, which has leather. He was originally looking at a 1LT. This has the sunroof. It has a premium package, which is giving you like upgraded wheels. It gives you in-dash navigation. It gives you the rear camera mirror, where that could be a camera image. Obviously behind us, all we see is the building. It gives you the bird's eye view camera. So you get front, back, bird's view, all the different angles. You get like the surround view, all that sort of stuff. It has a Bose premium upgrade stereo system. So, you know, a lot more equipment, $7,000 more vehicle than what he originally was purchasing. So we'll see what he says, but this is what we can do. We stretched a little bit on it to make it more beneficial to him. We have it in stock. Hopefully he takes it. I'd like to have this deal for February. So I will, I'll let you know as soon as I find out. Another thing I have to do is take pictures of a Suburban to send over to a client. We just got this one in. It's 2018 Premier. There's no photos yet online, so they want me to take some pictures of it. So I'm gonna do that, email them over. Oh, I know this truck. I traded this truck in. This is actually a very nice truck. Got the mahogany interior. It's all loaded up. DVD, Blu-ray, sunroof, bucket seats, 20-inch wheels. All right, ladies and gents, it looks like I'm gonna finish February with 18 delivered. I did not get that last Traverse deal. We're gonna hold off until we see what the programs are for March. If they're satisfactory to the client, it'll give me a lot more time to go further and try to find the vehicle that they're looking for in the specific color with the specific equipment that fits their budget. So we'll do that. So that would be like maybe our first deal for March. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you as always. And for now, I'm gonna leave you with the 2011 Shelby GT500.